Disaster recovery, or DR, is focused on recovering from a catastrophic loss of application functionality. A good example would be an Azure region hosting an application suddenly becoming unavailable. You need a plan for running your application or even accessing your data in another region in the event something like this happens. Organizations need to determine how much functionality is required during one of these disasters. This is because this level of functionality can take a few different forms. You have a situation where an application becomes completely unavailable. You can have an application that's partially available with reduced functionality, or you can have an application that is fully available in light of a disaster. Resiliency and HA strategies are meant for handling temporary failure conditions. However, executing a DR plan involves people, processes, supporting applications that are all required to allow a particular system or application to continue functioning. Such a plan should include rehearsing these failures and testing the recovery of databases to ensure that the plan is sound. This is why you'll see companies every year perform at least one DR test to ensure that they can continue functioning in the event of a disaster. In Azure, the Azure Site Recovery Service helps with this. The Azure Site Recovery Service ensures business continuity by keeping business apps running during outages. What site recovery does is it replicates workloads that are running on physical and or virtual machines in a primary site to a secondary location. When an outage occurs at the primary site, you simply fail over to the secondary location and application access continues from there unabated. Once the primary location is back up and running, you can fail back.